you can install Inzoi on your PC. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let us get started. So, Inzoi is a new upcoming game that stimulates life, and you can just customize its characters and build houses and whatnot. So it has not been released yet. It will be released in later 2024. So to install it, what you'll need to do is have your Steam account ready. After you have your Steam account, you can add it to your wish list or you can just pre-book it. Unfortunately, Inzoi is not available for mobile games and it's an console game only. So you won't be able to play it on your mobile phone. So if you want to play it on your mobile phone, better find a alternative game for your phone. So yeah, that is how you install Inzoi. First, you need to wait, and after it's available, you can just go to your Steam and install it. So that is all for the video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.